Hi all, it's KVKG World, Konjam Vilayattu Konjam Galata, and in this video we are going to see about the health benefits of novel param. They used to say it in Tamil, and in our English language we used to say it as Java plum or jamun fruit, or Indian blackberry black plum. So the main benefit, what we can say, it can be consumed by diabetes patient. It regulates blood sugar level in a good way, so it keeps the sugar under a control. And then it is good for heart health. See, people who are really having a lot of problems related to their cardiac or heart, they can take this fruit berry. It really acts as a good antioxidant, and then it acts as a blood purifier. Black plum, it really has they are very rich in iron and in vitamin C, so it increases the hemoglobin count, and it also improves the bone strength. So it has nutrients like calcium, iron, potassium and vitamin C, so it boosts the immunity power and also the bone strength. And it also treats many infection like say anti-malarial, antibacterial, because it contains lot of acid, malic acid, gallic acid, oxalic acid, and so this fruit is really useful for treating many infections. It cures digestive disorders, and then it also rich in iron, and so it fights for anemia. So people who are in need of rich nutrients like say iron, they have to consume, they have to eat it daily. And then it also increases the immunity power. So this fruit is mostly available only from June. And not only that, before and all these fruits they used to sell it on the roadside areas, but you can't find it right now because now the cost and rate of the fruits has become increased. So try to understand the medicinal value of this fruit and try to consume it, try to eat it at least weekly, once or twice whenever you get it, because it is a seasonal fruit, you can't get it always. And if you like this video, kindly watch, like and subscribe. Thank you, and this is KVKG World.